Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Discord account with Discord token. So let's begin. First, go to the website for Discord or the login page on your Chrome browser. And over here, click on the three dots and we just need to locate more tools and then click on developer tools. Now, here on the top menu, we're going to choose this two arrow keys, which shows more tabs. Click on application. So I already clicked that earlier, so it's now showing up. Then storage, you're gonna click on storage. They will show Discord. Next, you have key and the value. You're just going to scroll down at the bottom section, and on the first, click type on token, and over here you will type your Discord token. Then you can now uh, click wherever you want, refresh the page, and it will now let you log in, or it will automatically log in into your Discord account. So that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.